class. I'm your English teacher Aditi Day. As you all know that yesterday I have completed your demonstration and the whole chapter lesson 1, the sentence of English language. Today I am going to start with your new chapter of English literature course book, that is lesson 1, named same or different. Okay, in this chapter story is very interesting. There will be showing the chapter that there will be friendship between a snake and a sparrow, which is impossible for them also, but they are friend. And when baby sparrow is going to her school, the mama is saying that don't do the friendship with the snake, they are different. But the baby sparrow is saying, why you mama saying the same words every day? And when the snake on the other side, when a snake is going to school, his father is saying that don't do the friendship with your food because we eat sparrow's egg every day. So don't do the friendship with them. But they are, when they move to their school and come back to school, they met with each other and they said that our parents are wrong, we proved them wrong, and we proved them that we are same more than different. So let's start with the video of lesson 1. Students, as you all know that yesterday I have completed lesson 1 of English language. This is your new book of course book of class 4 beta. This is English literature course book. Okay. So come to the lesson number 1. This book is of Amber. Okay. Course book. It is written like this. So this is your book beta. Come to the lesson number 1. Okay, this is your lesson number 1. Same or different means it is saying about the chapter that there are similarities between two persons or persons are different in qualities, na? So like this, you are seeing some pictures are there of the animals. There is giraffe, vulture, owl, elephant and squirrel, na, in the picture of above. So group these animals on the basis of their food habits. You have to group these animals according to their food habits. They are plant eating or meat eating, beta, or both. Then discuss with your partner. This is the task given by the book, beta. Okay. So you have to do this according to the basis of food habits. They are plant eating or meat eating. You have to group these animals, beta. Okay. Come to the next. Let us read this story about two friends who try to find out if they are same or different. This story is about two friends. They are similar or they are different. The story is telling about that. You are seeing in the picture Mama Sparrow and the baby sparrow is on the tree. Na? On the branch of the tree, you are seeing the picture is given like that. Now Mama put Sparrow's lunch box into her school bag and folded her wings around her. Means Mama is putting Sparrow's lunch box into her school bag. She is going to school. Mama is putting Sparrow's lunchbox into her school bag and folded her wings around her. You are seeing in the picture that Mama is giving the lunchbox to the baby sparrow and saying some words to her. Have a good day, darling. She said, pay attention, be polite, and means she is saying some words that pay attention and be polite to others. Oof, Mama, love Sparrow, you say the same thing every day. She is saying that, oof, Mama, loved Sparrow. Now, Sparrow is laughing at her mama's voice that you said the same words every day. Now, come to the next page, beta. And remember, now Mama is saying that remember, said Mama, stay away from snake. He is different. Means Mama is saying that please stay away from snake because he is different. Sparrow wished Mama hadn't say that. Now, Sparrow is wishing that Mama don't say that words every day. Snake was her best friend. Snake was whose best friend? Snake was Sparrow's best friend. But Mama did not approve of him. But Mama don't like him. That's why she says the same words every day. His pupil eat our pupil. Now Mama is saying that his pupil eat the sparrows and sparrows pupil. That's why she always said sparrows and snakes can never be friends. And now she is saying that sparrow and snakes be never be friends. On the other side of town, Snake's papa was packing his lunchbox with bird's egg. Now on the other side of the town, Snake's papa is packing his lunchbox with bird's egg. Means bird's egg are the food eating food is given in the lunchbox of snake. Today's special, my son, he said proudly. Today's special bird's egg. This is I have given you in your lunch, my son, he said proudly. But the son is saying, but I hate eggs. But he don't like the eggs, he said to Papa. Groaned Snake. He slithered away feeling angry. Now Snake is saying something in a loud voice, groaned. He slithered away. He twisting and going from that place, feeling angry. Sparrows are different. We have always eaten them in our family. Now, Father Snake is saying that sparrows are different. We have always eaten them in our family. We always eat them in our family, said the Papa. Sternly. Sternly means seriously. You cannot be friends with your food. Now he is saying that you cannot be friends with your food. Which thing you eat, you cannot be do the friendship with them. That's why. Now off you go and remember to stay away from sparrow. And now you go to school and please stay away from sparrow. Don't go and mix with him, with her. So when Snake met Sparrow at school, now Snake come to school and met with Sparrow. They both figured out from each other's expressions that something was odd. Now they are seeing at each other and making some expressions that something is odd happening in their life. Your mama said, asked Snake. Now Snake is asking that your mama said something. Sparrow nodded. Sparrow nodded her head. Your papa too. Snake nodded. Now Snake is nodding his head that yes. Our parents are wrong, Sparrow, said Snake firmly. Snake and Sparrow is now talking with each other saying that our parents are wrong, Sparrow. They are saying smoothly to Snake. She is saying to Snake very smoothly that our parents are wrong. Let's show them that we are more same than different. Means at this time Snake and Sparrow is talking that this is the time we have to show that we are same more than different. Great idea, said Sparrow. Sparrow is saying that it is great idea. She pulled out a sheet of paper and drew 2 circles on it. Now Sparrow is taking a sheet of paper and draw 2 circles on it. In the yellow part, said Sparrow, we will write just Sparrow things and color it with the yellow half of the part. And she said that in the yellow part, said Sparrow, we will write just Sparrow's thing, means which things Sparrow like, we have to write in that. And in the blue part, just Snake things. And which things a snake like, we write in the blue part. These will be the ways in which we are different. So like this ways we are different, it is showing. Snake was puzzled. He said, I thought we wanted to think of ways in which we are the same. Now snake was very puzzled, means he is very getting angry after saying this and saying that he said that I thought we wanted to think of ways in which we are same. We have to show our parents that we are same, we are not different. That's what the green part in the middle is for, smiled Sparrow. Now Sparrow is saying green part I have drawn in the middle to show that we are same. First, let's write about our physical appearance. First, we have to write about our physical appearance. Means physically we looked like that. She said, same or different. Means she's saying that same or different we can find out after that. Very different side snake. Snake is saying that we are very different by physically appearance. I am long, hairless and thin. I am long in size, hairless. No hairs are on my skin, and thin also. You are small, plump and soft. And you are small in size, plump means full and round in shape, and soft also. Okay. So children, you have to go up to this today only. Okay. Go through these 2 pages, and if you feel any problem you can ask me in the class group or personally also, beta. Okay. Thank you, bacha.